This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Here's an announcement. As India created history by administering more than 150 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday chaired a high-level virtual meeting to review the COVID-19 situation in the country and ongoing preparedness of health infrastructure and logistics. He also reviewed status of the vaccination campaign and the emergence of new COVID-19 variant Omicron and its public health implications. The Prime Minister stressed on the need to ensure adequate health infrastructure at the district level. He asked officials to maintain coordination regarding this with the states. The presentation brought attention to India's consistent efforts towards the vaccination campaign, with 31% adolescents aged 15 to 18 years having been administered with the first dose so far. Mr. Modi noted this achievement and urged to further accelerate the vaccine drive for the adolescents in mission mode. Administration of booster dose for healthcare and frontline workers and those over 60 years of age with co-morbidities begins today. The centre has issued guidelines stating that no new registration will be required to get a booster dose. The eligible persons who have taken 2 doses of corona vaccine can directly take an appointment or walk in to any COVID vaccination centre. The online appointment for booster shots began yesterday, where one can book their slots. Personnel deployed for election duty will be treated as frontline workers and will be administered a booster dose also. The centre has already said that the precautionary vaccine dose will be the same vaccine as administered previously in the first 2 doses. The Minister of State and the PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh, has said that pregnant women employees and Divyang employees have been exempted from attending office due to rising COVID cases. They will be required to remain available and work from home, the minister said. In Manipur, 68 persons tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. 1 COVID-19 related death case was also reported. Also, 12 more COVID-19 patients were discharged from healthcare centres after recovery from the virus. The number of active cases increased to 469 in Manipur. Meghalaya yesterday reported 76 new COVID-19 cases, while 10 people also recovered from the viral infection. The state had 394 active cases till yesterday. The East Khasi Hills district, including the state capital Shillong, has the highest number of active COVID-19 cases at 321. After the central government castigating Meghalaya for low vaccination rate, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, NCPCR, has now asked the state to increase the COVID-19 inoculation drive for children, which, according to the Commission, is very low in the state. The state has not made enough efforts to provide vaccination to children who are most vulnerable to the disease, the NCPCR said. This has put their lives into huge risk, it cautioned. The NCPCR wrote to chief secretaries of 4 states, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and Punjab, to accelerate vaccination of children against COVID-19. And the Ayush Ministry is going to operationalize 1,000 health and wellness centers in the Northeast. Interacting with media persons in Guwahati yesterday, Union Ayush and Shipping Minister Sarvanand Sonowal said that Ayush and Health Ministry are closely working to contain the COVID-19 situation. He said that his ministry has issued advisory to curb the spread of COVID-19. The Union Minister further said that 100 Ayush dispensaries are to be set up in the Northeast. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio. Shillong. Have a nice day.